How to find Nextdoor's do not engage in harmful activity rule. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view in detail about the do not engage in harmful activity rule in Nextdoor. Let's get started. Open up your browser, go to nextdoor.com, and then on the bottom left you can find Help Center. Just tap on it. Now here you will need to look for community guidelines. So it's in the right hand side. You just need to tap on it. And then you will see a list of community guidelines. You'll need to scroll down. And then you can find in the fifth number, do not engage in harmful activity. So to know in more detail about this rule, just tap on the link and then it will take you to a new page, and here you can find everything about the rules that falls under the do not engage in harmful activity. So it's as simple as that. Just scroll down and review it all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.